to poultry farmers too is among the challenging effects. Like government don't give loans to poultry farmers. Like I remember during when I want to construct that wall there, the wall over there, when I want to construct the wall, so I have to say I want to obtain loan, but government refused to give me the loan to start the poultry, to build the fence there. So inadequate credit. So many farmers don't have credit to start the business. So it's among the challenges, problems we face as poultry farmers, and people don't want, because so many people do not believe in poultry business. So the next one is lack of technical know-how. Like I tell you, I'm a trained vet. What do I mean by technical know-how? I tell you, I'm a trained vet here. I'm a trained veterinary student. So I know so many things about poultry. I studied so many things about poultry. Even now, I'm still studying about poultry diseases. I want to know more about poultry. Like I want to learn to know about, what do I mean by technical know-how? Technical know-how in the sense that they will teach you, or you will know. Technical know-how in the sense that they will teach you, or you will know about how to construct or how to start a poultry farm, how to take care of this bed you are seeing, how to do so many things. So lack of technical know-how is a major disadvantage, because so many people try their best. So many people don't know about poultry farm. Like you have to make a lot of research. You have to know how to construct or what to do to start the poultry farm. So you have to know how to do so many things. So many people do not know, like this technical know-how of how to start poultry farm. So if you know how to start a poultry farm, it's a very good thing for you. You will enjoy it. You will enjoy it. You know better. You will understand it. So you have to make so many research in starting a poultry farm. So the next one is marketing challenges, marketing and challenges. So what do I mean by marketing? Like, what makes you to start to build? Like now, when I build this poultry house here, I build this one, that one there, I build that one, that poultry house there too. So what makes me to build plenty of them? What makes me to increase it? Because if there is high demand, but if there is no high demand of egg production in a particular place, you see, you can't build so many poultry houses. It will not help you. You have to just build one to start first. So marketing channels will have challenges. Most of the time, when the price of eggs is low, you see, when the price of egg is low, you too will not make gain. When the price of egg is low, you too will not make gain. So this is all in this channel. So if this is your first time of watching this video, you can see even up there how we construct the poultry farm. We construct it in such a way that air ventilation will enter. So please, if this is your first time of coming or watching this video at Mati Farm, you can kindly hit the subscribe button to get hit the notification bell to get notified every time I drop a new video. I am your favorite poultry farmer.